In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts in Odoo. This task might seem a bit daunting at first, but by the end of this guide, you'll see just how straightforward and efficient the process can be. First, you need to navigate to the Contacts app within your Odoo software. This is your starting point where all your contact information is stored and organized. Once you're in the Contacts app, you'll want to switch to the List view. The List view provides a comprehensive overview of all your contacts, making it easier to manage and select the data you need. Now that you're viewing your contacts in a list, it's time to select which ones you want to export. If you wish to export all the contacts currently visible on your screen, you can do this by using the top checkbox. This function simplifies the process of selecting multiple entries at once, especially when dealing with a large volume of contacts. With your contacts selected, it's time to make your way over to the Actions menu. At the top of the screen, you'll find the Actions button. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Export. This will open the Export dialog box, which is where you'll specify the details of your export. In the Export dialog, you're presented with a couple of options that tailor the output to your needs. The first option is to choose between CSV or Excel (XLSX) formats. Both options have their own advantages. CSV is great for simple, text-based data and is widely compatible with many software applications, while Excel is excellent for more complex, formatted data requirements, and you might find it easier to work with if you're going to be using the data in Microsoft Excel. Additionally, there's an option to check I want to update data, import compatible export. By selecting this, you include record IDs in your export. This feature is particularly useful if you plan on re-importing this data back into Odoo at a later date, as it ensures compatibility with Odoo's import templates. Once you've decided on the format and whether you need import-compatible data, the next step is to select the fields you want to include in your export. You can do this by using the arrow or plus button within the Export dialog. This customization allows you to tailor the exported data to include only the information relevant to your needs, whether that's names, email addresses, phone numbers, or any other available fields. Finally, after making all your selections, simply click the Export button. Your file will then be downloaded directly to your device. And there you have it, a complete, well-formatted export of your Odoo contacts, ready for whatever purpose you need. With this step-by-step process, exporting contacts in Odoo can be a clear and efficient task, saving you time and minimizing errors in data handling.